Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Lenovo Tab. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from tablet to TV. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your TV enter screen mirroring function. Right now, on your tablet, swipe down notification bar, extend it. Let me just connect to same Wi-Fi. And again, swipe down notification bar, extend it and enter cast. Go to more settings, tap on three dots button and enable wireless display. Now select your TV. And as you can see right now, you're casting screen from tablet to TV. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.